In a new development, members of the National Youth Service Corps have expressed their disapproval of the federal government's persistent failure to implement the payment of 77,000 naira allowance. The federal government had approved an increase in the corps members' monthly allowance from 33,000 naira to 77,000 naira, effective from July 2024. In the same year, the Director General of the NYSC, Brigadier General Yushau Ahmed, stated that the new allowance was implemented due to the non-release of funds. The DG later announced that corps members will start receiving the 77,000 naira in February 2025. Despite the official announcement, findings reported revealed that the NYSC has yet to commence payment of the 77,000 naira. Many corps members also told Punch correspondents that they received only 33,000 naira for their February allowance on Friday. A corps member serving in Abia State accused the federal government of insincerity regarding the payment of the 77,000 naira allowance. The corps member who spoke on Sunday on condition of anonymity because corps members are not allowed to talk to the media lamented that the 33,000 naira allowance was insufficient. Another corps member serving in Osun State expressed dissatisfaction with the federal government over the delay in paying the new allowance. According to reports, the Director of Communication of the NYSC, Caroline Embo, neither answered calls nor responded to text messages sent to her by Punch correspondent for a comment on the matter. Meanwhile, a senior official of the NYSC who requested anonymity confirmed that the scheme had yet to commence the 77,000 naira payment. "We are yet to start payment for the new allowance," he said. "We'll continue to monitor this story for more new development. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.